Hi everyone, it's Teresa with Yellow Daisy. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be participating in a challenge hosted by Jessica over at CasaMagnolia and Heidi Sonboul. In this challenge, they ask you to pick a closet in your home and declutter, clean, reorganize it. You can go in there and totally rebuild it if you want to. But today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my downstairs spare bedroom closet. For my spare bedroom and this closet, it has become a catch-all and a dumping ground for anything that projects that were going on, and it's extra supplies in here and just things that I didn't feel like putting away properly. So it definitely needs it. And if you have seen any of our other decluttering and organization videos, you know that I like to hide things behind closed doors in my closets. And this closet is no different. As you'll see, it is crammed full of stuff that does not need to be in there. So without further ado, let's go get to the closet. Here's my spare bedroom. And this is the closet that I'm going to be doing that's in here. And as you can see, this room has become my little catch-all and dumping ground. Yeah. This stuff, remember when I cleaned out my hall closet? I haven't taken it to the Goodwill yet, so... So this is my spare bedroom, and here's the closet that I'm going to be cleaning out for the challenge. Okay, so in this closet, I have up here in this little bin, I have artwork from my son when he was in school. He's now going to be a junior in college, so I can probably store that away. Now these bins, this is cool. I started this a couple years ago. I got these bins at the dollar store, and what I do is I have each family member's name on them, and for Christmas gifts, as I collect things throughout the year, I put them in those bins. So, you know, little things for like stocking stuffers and the smaller gifts that you kind of collect. And that has been working out really, really good. I love that. And then of course, after Christmas sale for our annual gingerbread decorating at my sister's. So I took advantage of those being like 70% off. And then I have more coats. This is my husband's overflow coat, so he really needs to kind of go through and see if he needs all of these. And then over here, I have a couple shelves, which you can't see because of all the pillows, but I have a couple of shelves that I need to clean off. And then I have extra pillows. And then I have our son's dorm room refrigerator, so when he moved out. And then I just have some decor things that I'm saving and collecting for my bedroom bathroom remodel that we're doing. And then there's some more artwork back there. So yeah, so this is the closet that I'm going to be cleaning out for the summer clean out challenge. closet now that it's all emptied out. I'm gonna leave those pillows up there. And I'm gonna keep those up there. These jackets, like I said earlier, they're all my husband's. So when he gets home, I'll get him to look and see if there's anything he wants to get rid of. I might get one of those garment bags and just zip them up all in there. I'll leave some of the hangers here for if we do get guests. And that's my sewing machine. And I like to keep that stored in here, so that'll stay in here. But it's all emptied. This is a little smelly sachet that's no longer smelling, so I guess I can take this down. Let me turn you around and show you now what the bedroom looks like. So like any other declutter organization, I'm just going to go through and see what I'm going to donate in trash and keep. So let me go get a trash bag, and that's what I'll do now. So I'm all done. Probably took me about 40 minutes to do all this. So under an hour, that was my goal. And I have a shelf left there. And put all my blankets, extra blankets there, and our comforter. That's some overalls. And then my sewing machine, and then some lighting equipment. And then those few hangers. And then the coats that my husband needs to go through. And this down here will be gone as soon as our bedroom and bathroom little updating is done. So that'll be out of here. And then as far as what I'm doing with the rest of the stuff, this box here, this is trash. That's my donate box. And then the refrigerator, we're going to put in storage. That's the box of some artwork from when my son was in school. That's the leaf to our kitchen table. And then just some more decor pieces that my son had in his dorm that we need to go on and store away. And then this is some home decor items that I need to take up to the attic. So the room is back in order, thank goodness. That's my tripod. And the most exciting part is our closet is back the way it's supposed to be. All ready for some guests. This feels so great to have this closet cleaned out, and this challenge was definitely the motivation that I needed to complete this task. I will link both Heidi and Jessica's channel in the description box below, along with the playlist for this challenge. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you're new to our channel, we would love for you to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Until the next one, see ya. Bye. Say bye, Kodak. Bye.